While we share a rather magnetic relationship with our desserts and juices, sugar is a harmful choice that breaks down our body in more ways than one. Hey guys, welcome to this new video on Is brown sugar really better than white sugar? By Healthify Me. Following a survey conducted by WHO in 2020, it was observed that diabetes killed around 1.5 million people worldwide. Sugar is not just the cause of diabetes alone, it makes the body vulnerable to numerous other diseases like high blood pressure, obesity, and heart-related ailments. So, brown sugar or white sugar? Excessive intake of either one can be hazardous to your health. Let's reflect upon the process of producing brown and white sugar, expand on their nutritional values and properties, thus helping you make an informed decision on which one to choose and what are the smart swaps you need to make. Let's begin with understanding their process of production. Now, before we proceed further, make sure that you have subscribed to or followed Healthify Me. So the production process, the initial manufacturing process is similar for both brown sugar and white sugar. They are juiced from the sugar cane and then boiled to form a thick syrup called molasses that eventually crystallizes. Next, the crystallized sugar is centrifuged to produce raw sugar crystals. The final step of manufacturing is different for brown and white sugar. While white sugar is further processed to remove any excess molasses and create smaller crystals, brown sugar is made by adding varying amounts of molasses to the refined white sugar. Now, if we look at the calorie content, it will be a surprise to people who think brown sugar is much lesser in calories than white sugar, but they both have almost the same content. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar has roughly about 18 to 20 calories and white sugar has 20 calories. Now, with regards to their nutritional value, brown sugar is equally high in carbohydrates. However, unlike white sugar, which can be called having empty calories, brown sugar contains some traces of micronutrients like iron, calcium, zinc, copper, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamin B6. So more or less, they are similar in nutritional profile. So what are our alternatives to sugar? Now that you know that both brown sugar and white sugar are almost similar, you need to find sweeteners that do not directly impact your body. There are various other healthier substitutes to sugar that will preferably be great for your taste buds and your health. You can use stevia, coconut sugar, jaggery, honey, and even maple syrup in your food and drinks. Hard to keep track of your macro and micronutrients? You can download the Healthify Me app from the link in the description below to track the macronutrients in your food. You will be able to track over 55,000 foods, receive real-time insights, and automated analytics on your health. Now let's take a closer look at stevia. This natural sweetener is produced from a plant named Stevia rebaudiana, generally found in Central and South America. It has no nutritional properties, but also stevia has 0 calories and is gaining popularity as a substitute to sugar. It's a boon for diabetics and those with a sweet tooth, as stevia contains no additional carbohydrates and can be added to your favorite food or drink. Now looking at coconut sugar. Coconut sugar can be called a fad among vegans but deserves a little more credit than that. Produced from the sap of coconut palm tree, then made into a syrup and dried, coconut sugar is minimally processed. Unlike brown sugar, which has little nutritional value, coconut sugar retains many nutrients like calcium, iron, zinc, and potassium. A teaspoon contains 18 calories, 5 grams of carbohydrate and 5 grams of sugar. It also comprises of inulin, a soluble fiber that helps to control post-meal blood sugar spikes. Now let's take a closer look at jaggery, a non-refined substitute of sugar made from sugarcane or a toddy palm tree. Jaggery is a popular sweetener in India, Southeast Asia and Africa. It is a great source of iron, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus and potassium. Jaggery or gur is also an excellent source of antioxidants. 1 teaspoon of jaggery consists of 20 calories. Although it is better than white and brown sugar, it is not an ideal choice if the quantity is not controlled. Now let's take a look at honey. Though some may argue that honey is higher in calories than sugar, as per tablespoon contains 64 calories, 17 grams of carbohydrate and 17 grams sugar, it may have other nutritional benefits than your normal white sugar. Honey possesses antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It also has traces of iron, zinc and potassium. It tastes sweeter than sugar, so to balance out that, you may need less if you're using it as a substitute. Now coming to maple syrup is a sweetener originating in Canada. This syrup is extracted from the sap of the maple tree and considered extra sweet. Some also praise the nutritional value of maple syrup, even if it is a high-calorie food. A tablespoon of maple syrup contains 52 calories, 13 grams of carbohydrate and 12 grams of sugar. Moreover, it is also rich in manganese, that is essential for healthy bones, and other nutrients like iron, copper, zinc, calcium and potassium. Recent research also has found that maple syrup is great to lower cholesterol levels and help in preventing Alzheimer's. So in conclusion, brown and white sugar both hardly make any difference in adding any nutritional value to your diet. Choose a healthier substitute based on nutritional value. We sometimes, more often than not, knowingly consume visible sugar in our teas, coffees, and unknowingly consume invisible sugar in processed foods, baked foods or fizzy drinks. So make sure that you limit your visible sugar intake and over due course make smart swaps to the healthier alternatives for overall health benefits. So in conclusion, to answer the question, is brown sugar really better than white sugar? No, it isn't. It is a myth that needs to be debunked for people who believe so and unknowingly make a choice that doesn't make a difference. We hope you liked our video. Do like this video if you learned something new today. You can share this video with your family, friends and your loved ones. And you can also add this video to your own personal playlist so that you can come back and watch it anytime. Chat with our coaches on WhatsApp today. Connect with Healthify.me's top nutritionists and trainers from the comfort of your phone. Click the link in the description below and start your consultation now. Let us know in the comment section if we missed out on anything or if you have any suggestions or questions about this particular topic. If you have not subscribed to or followed our Healthify.me channel yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe or follow button. If you are on YouTube, hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos from Healthify.me. Thank you for watching.